If you've seen any of my other projects, then you may have noticed my 4x8 workbench. Although I do a lot of my work on this bench, its main purpose is for laying out and cutting up 4x8 sheets of plywood or MDF. Here is a quick look at the bench in operation in my 3D model of the shop. Rendering video from this environment is incredibly slow. Even at this widescreen resolution of 480p, it took almost 2 hours to complete, and that does not include programming the simulation. Now in the real world of my very cluttered shop, and it is time to commit a cleaning. But first I need to get the bench out of the way. First step is to fold in the front legs and drop the front bench to the floor. Now lift up the center, then fold up and latch the front legs. This is the tough part. Pushing against the upper part of the outer table, it goes up and latches in position on the wall. Zooming in for a close-up look at the two latches. Gravity holds them down in the locked position where the other end of the latch is against the roof. Backing up and looking at the mounting base, it is attached to the block wall with 4 masonry screws. Now you can see I have finished committing the cleaning, and it is time to bring the bench back down. Pivoting the two latches up, it comes down in basically the reverse process of putting it up. I recently moved the power strip from the rear bench to the front bench, and here we can see the cord needs to be supported that it does not get hung up on the middle leg. Once down and resting on the front bench, I pull the bench out until the middle legs are on the ground. After unlatching the front legs, I lift up the front bench until the front legs are fully unfolded. Then lifting up the center on both sides so that the middle legs are in the correct position. Now I am ready for my next project.